Amoso. Hi, everybody. Welcome to the Luo Lesson 2. In today's lesson, we're going to learn how to count from 11 to 20. We already learned how to count from 1 to 10, so this is just a continuation of our counting series. 11. Apar gi achiel. Apar gi achiel. 11. 12. Apar gi ariyo. Apar gi ariyo. 12. 13. Apar gi adek. Apar gi adek. 13. 14. Apar gi ang'wen. Apar gi ang'wen. 14. 15. Apar gi abich. Apar gi abich. 15. 16. Apar gi auchiel. Apar gi auchiel. 16. 17. Apar gi abiriyo. Apar gi abiriyo. 17. 18. Apar gi aboro. Apar gi aboro. 18. 19. Apar gi ochiko. Apar gi ochiko. Now, I'm not sure if you've noticed, but all the numbers from 11 to 19 are apar, which is 10, gi, which means with. Ochiko, for example, for 19 is 10 with 9. 18 is 10 with 8. 17 is 10 with 7, and so on. This is just a very standard way of counting in the Luo, is you keep adding the numbers on top of each other. The rules, however, change when we move to counting 20, for example. Now, this is one of the words in the Luo that I find actually kind of amusing, Pierre. Pierre is used to count. For instance, in this case, Pierrario means 20. However, Pierre can also mean behind, buttocks, bottom, the rear part of someone's body. So when you say Pierrario, and my mother would be really amused when I asked her this, does that mean it's two bottoms or two butts? No, it's just a shared word, right? It has two meanings, right? In this context, Pierre means to count 20. Pierrario is 20. Okay, so that's just a small fun fact. Pierre Adek is 30. Pierre Adek. Pierre Angwen is 40. Pierre Angwen. Pierre Abich is 50. Pierre Abich. Pierre Auchiel, 60. Pierre Auchiel. Pierre Abirio, 70. Pierre Abirio. Pierre Aboro, 80. Pierre Aboro. Pierre Ochiko, 90. Pierre Ochiko. Mia Achiel is 100. Mia Achiel. Now, in the olden days, I'm told, because I wasn't around, obviously, that the word haga was used to mean 100. However, that is now obsolete. I have never personally heard anyone say haga to mean 100. I've always heard people say Mia Achiel. If you are walking in Kisumu, in the streets of Kisumu, or you're in the market, and people are talking about 100, you'll hear Mia Achiel. I personally have not heard haga, but I'm sure some people have encountered it. So that's it. That's all. That's 11 to 20. and the tens, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90, and 100. So keep practicing, and hopefully you'll be able to count really well in the Luo very soon. Okay, that's all. Oriti. Bye.